हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम करेंगे क्लास 9th मोमेंट बुक का चैप्टर 3 ईश्वर द स्टोरी टेलर के क्वेश्चन आंसर। इससे पहले आप चैनल पर नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इन व्हाट वे इज ईश्वर एन एसेस टू महेंद्रा। इसका आंसर है, Eastman was a good domestic assistant for Mahindra. Apart from cooking and doing household chores, he was a great entertainer for his master. He was a good at maintaining resources as he could find vegetables out of nowhere. Also never had complained while accompanying his master. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है हमारा, हाउ डज ईश्वरन डिस्क्राइब द अप्रूटेड ट्री ऑन द हाईवे, व्हाट इफेक्ट डज ही वांट टू क्रिएट इन हिज लिसनर। इसे बोल रहे हैं कि जो ईश्वर है उसने जो उखड़ा हुआ ट्री था उसको कैसे डिस्क्राइब करा था और उसका प्रभाव उसके सुनने वालों पर कैसा था। तो इसका आंसर है, Eastman describes the uprooted tree on the highway with the eyebrows, tables attached, and hands held out in a dramatic way. He would begin by saying that the road was deserted and he was alone. Suddenly, he spotted something that looked like an enormous bushy beast lying sprawled across the road. He was half inclined to turn and go back, but as he came closer, he saw that it was a fallen tree with its dry branches spread out. The effect he wants to create is suspense and a surprise ending to every incident that he narrates to his readers. तो उसने अपने आईब्रो को चढ़ा बढ़ा कर अपने हाथ को ऐसे ऐसे करके मतलब बताया उसको कैसे वहाँ गया, तो उसने देखा, फिर उसने पास जाके देखा तो एक ट्री गिरा हुआ था। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। तो हमारा थर्ड क्वेश्चन है, हाउ डज ही नरेट द स्टोरी ऑफ द टस्कर, डज इट अपेयर टू बी पॉसिबल। तो इसका आंसर है, ही स्टार्टेड द स्टोरी ऑफ द elephant by giving a prologue in which he called elephants well-fed beasts. He said that after escaping from the timber yard, the elephant started roaming about, stamped on bushes, and tore up wild creepers. It then came to the main road of the town and smashed all the stalls selling fruits, mud pots, and clothes. It then entered a school ground where the children were playing. It pulled out the football goal post, tore down the volleyball net, flattened the drum kept from water, and uprooted the shops. All the teacher and students were so afraid that they climbed up to the terrace of the school building. According to this one, he was studying in the junior classes. At that time, he grabbed a cane from the hands of one of the teachers and ran into the open. The elephant continued grunting and stamping its feet. It looked frightening. However, he moved slowly towards it. When the elephant was ready to rush toward him, he moved forward and walked its third toenail. It looked suddenly and then collapsed. This story does not appear to be possible. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। फोर्थ क्वेश्चन है हमारा, Why does the author say that Iswaran seemed to more than make up for the absence of a TV in Mahindra's living quarters? This concept, the author says so because Iswaran provided a great company to Mahindra. He would chat with Mahindra at night when he returned from his work. Ishwaran would also entertain Mahindra by telling stories. Thus, with the Ishwaran around, Mahindra never felt bored and never felt the necessity of having a TV for entertainment. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं हमारा। Mahindra's call ghost or spirits a figment of the imagination. What happened to him on a full moon night? इसका आंसर है Mahindra's call ghost or spirit a figment of the imagination because Iswarana informed him that they were living on a burial seats and kept narrating to him stories of behaviors, ghosts himself, and encountered on one full moon night. Mahendra was woken up from his sleep by a low moan close to his window. At first, he thought that it was a cat prowling around the mice, but the sound was too deep and guttural for a cat. He resisted looking outside as he did not want to witness a sign that might stop his heartbeat, but the crying became louder and less suitable. He could not resist the temptation anymore, lowering himself to the level of the windowsill. He looked out at the white sheet of a moonlight outside. There, not too far away, was a dark, cloudy form clutching a bundle. He broke into a cold sweat and fell back on the pillow. पेंटिंग। तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन चलते हैं। हमारा 6th क्वेश्चन है, कैन यू थिंक ऑफ सम अदर एंडिंग फॉर द स्टोरी? तो इसका आंसर है द स्टोरी कुड हैव एंडेड ऑन अ मोर पॉजिटिव नोट इंस्टेड ऑफ अ रेसिजिंग फ्रॉम his job. Mahendra could have been shown as a real congressive man and proving the ghost theory wrong. Another ending be of both Mahendra and Ishwaran leaving the place together and in turn continuing their bond, which is depicted earlier in the story. Ishwaran has been explained as a man of all season for Mahendra. तो गाइज ये रही हमारी क्लास 9th मूवमेंट बुक का 3rd चैप्टर ईश्वरन द स्टोरी टेलर. I hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.